Problem number 12, standard 4OA2, multiply or divide to solve word problems involving multiplicative comparison. O stands for operations, A, algebraic thinking. Remember, you will always be adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing, or maybe multiple steps. Let's go. Number 12. Let's just read it straight through. Matthew is 10 years old. His pet snake is 30 years old. How do their ages compare? Sorry about it getting cut off. Let's try it again. Matthew is 10 years old. His pet snake is 30 years old. How do their ages compare? We have Matthew. We know that we're dealing with numbers. Matthew's 10, snake is 30, 3. Keyword is compare. Let's look at our possible answers. Matthew is 3 years older than his snake. His snake is 3 years older than Matthew. His snake is 3 times. So now we see that keyword times. Here's Matthew. We know that times is equal to multiply. So let's set this up. We have Matthew versus the snake. Matthew is 10 years old. That's abbreviation for years. Snake. Math, you make mistakes. That's why you use a pencil. Voila. 30. Remember, you are adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. Okay. Let's just look at possible answer A. Matthew is 3 years older than his snake. Well, Matthew is 10. The snake is 30 years old. That does not make sense. Matthew is younger. 10 is less than 30. No way is it older than. His snake is 3 years older than Matthew. 30 and 10, let's see. The snake is 30. Matthew's 10, so that would be 20 years. And this got cut off, so let's write it over here. This one's a little sloppy. I think it's getting late, and I've done way too many of these. 20. This says his snake is 3 years older. The snake is 20 years older. So it can't be that one as well. Let's keep going. So it has to be C or D. Process of elimination. We got rid of the ones that had nothing to do with this problem. His snake is 3 times as old as Matthew. Let's see. Snake is 30. Matthew is 10. Okay, if the snake is 3 times, that would mean that we need to take 3 times 10, which is 30. Okay? Let's see. Matthew is 3 times as old as his snake. No, he's 3 times less. We need to get to the snake. In order to get to that snake, we need to add 10 plus 10 plus 10. Okay? His snake is older than Matthew. All right? So to go from 10 to 30, we need to multiply by 3. So that means the snake is 3 times as old. Okay? Matthew is not 3 times as old. The snake is. So really, you go 30 divided by 3 is 10. Okay? All right. Hope that helps. Enough for that. Later.